Gastric ulcers, also known as stomach ulcers, are quite common. The vast majority of people with stomach ulcers have no symptoms, but they may have pain, nausea, diarrhea, or bloating. Typically, stomach ulcers need a combination of medications, including antibiotics. However, there is a growing evidence that certain foods can help get rid of stomach ulcers, or at the very least reduce the symptoms that they cause. Here are 8 foods that can help treat stomach ulcer. Number 1. Probiotics. Infection with Helicobacter pylori can disrupt the bacterial balance in the gut. Taking probiotics such as lactobacillus, which is naturally present in the gut, may help restore the natural bacterial balance. According to a 2014 review of clinical studies, taking probiotics along with prescribed medication can improve treatment effectiveness. Medication side effects have also decreased. Taking certain strains of probiotics may also help reduce antibiotic-related side effects, improve the balance of gut bacteria, and make treatment more effective according to some research. Probiotics can be taken as a supplement or consumed in fermented foods. However, it is important to note that most studies have focused on supplemental probiotics rather than probiotic-rich diets. Number 2. Fermented foods. Several factors may influence the microbiome balance in the gut. Unhealthy diets and certain illnesses or medications are examples of these. Fermented foods are high in microbes like bacteria, yeast, and fungi. Consuming foods containing these microbes can help restore the gut's microbiome balance. Miso, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and tempeh are some fermented foods that can help relieve stomach ulcer symptoms. Number 3. Broccoli. Sulforaphane, a phytochemical found in broccoli and broccoli sprouts, inhibits the growth of H. pylori. In a 2017 study that included people with H. pylori infection, eating 70 grams of broccoli sprouts per day reduced stomach inflammation and infection markers significantly compared to baseline levels. Other cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, cabbage, and kale also contain sulforaphane. It is best to eat the vegetables raw or lightly steam them for up to 3 minutes to maximize the consumption levels of this substance. Number 4. Berries. Fruits have numerous health benefits, but berries may be especially beneficial in reducing infection with H. pylori. Extracts of various berries inhibited the growth of H. pylori in one older laboratory study. There is also some evidence that cranberry juice may be beneficial in the treatment of H. pylori infection. Although these findings are encouraging, more research into the effects of berry consumption on stomach ulcers is required. Berries like raspberries, strawberries, cranberries, elderberries, blueberries, and bilberries can help with stomach ulcers. If you've made it this far into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we release new videos. Now, back to the video. Number 5. Honey. Honey is more than just a sweetener. In fact, honey has been used as both a food and a medicine since ancient times. It is naturally antimicrobial, and some varieties such as manuka and oak tree honey are especially potent. In one 2015 study, 150 people with dyspepsia or indigestion consumed honey at least once a week. Honey consumption was linked to a lower presence of H. pylori infection. Honey can contain up to 200 elements, including polyphenols and other antioxidants, depending on the plant from which it is derived. Honey is an effective antibacterial agent that has been shown to inhibit H. pylori proliferate. As long as your blood sugar levels are normal, you can enjoy honey like any other sweetener with the added benefit of possibly soothing your ulcers. Number 6. Olive oil. The antimicrobial properties of olives and olive oil may aid in the fight against the bacteria that causes stomach ulcers. Their high polyphenol content protects against 8 strains of ulcer-causing bacteria, 3 of which are antibiotic resistant. However, the olive oil's ability to inhibit H. pylori growth has only been demonstrated in laboratory studies, with mixed results in human studies. In one 2012 study, people with H. pylori infection received daily doses of olive oil for 14 days. Although the findings were mixed, the researchers concluded that olive oil may be moderately effective in treating H. pylori infection. People with stomach ulcers may benefit from using olive oil to cook and bake with, as well as in salad dressings and dips. Number 7. Flavonoids. Flavonoids, also known as bioflavonoids, may be an effective additional treatment for stomach ulcers according to research. Flavonoids are naturally occurring compounds found in many fruits and vegetables. Flavonoids-rich foods and beverages include soybeans, legumes, red grapes, kale, broccoli, apples, berries, and teas, particularly in green tea. Flavonoids are gastroprotective, which means that they protect the stomach lining and may allow ulcers to heal. According to the Linus Pauling Institute, consuming flavonoids in the amount found in a typical diet has no side effects, but higher amounts of flavonoids may interfere with blood clotting. Flavonoids can also be obtained through diet or as supplements. Number 8. Cabbage juice. Cabbage is a well-known natural ulcer treatment. Doctors reportedly used it to treat stomach ulcers decades before antibiotics were available. It is high in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that has been shown to help prevent and treat H. pylori infections. The most common cause of stomach ulcers is infection. In fact, early studies in humans found that daily consumption of fresh cabbage juice appeared to help heal stomach ulcers more effectively than the standard treatment at the time. In one study, 13 people with stomach and upper digestive tract ulcers were given 946 ml of fresh cabbage juice every day. The ulcers of these participants healed in 7 to 10 days on average. This is 3.5 to 6 times faster than the average healing time reported in previous studies in patients who received traditional treatment. In another study, the same amount of fresh cabbage juice was given to 100 people with stomach ulcers, the majority of whom had previously failed conventional treatment, and within a week, 81% were symptom-free. Certain dietary interventions may help prevent and treat stomach ulcers according to some evidence. A balanced and nutritious diet is essential for those suffering from stomach ulcers. Certain dietary changes may help alleviate symptoms, maintain body health, and lower the risk of developing stomach ulcers. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video, and I'll see you on the next one.